Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. Today we are going to open the May Birchbox. Are you wanting to see what's in it? Me too. Stay tuned. Okay, so Birchbox is a beauty subscription, mostly with skincare, and it has samples and deluxe samples in it. It is $15 a month, and I think it is $6 to ship. So the total would be $21 a month for the box. But I think if you purchase like a yearly box, it's cheaper. So definitely gonna start looking into that to make things cheaper for me. On the side here, you'll see that there is a place to rip off the box. Inside of this box is another box. So let me get this other one off. Okay, let's see what we got in here, guys. Okay, how pretty. Okay, definitely a spring box. Look how pretty. Now, this is definitely a spring box. I love the boxes that you can take the lid off like this and use the box for a gift, to gift to someone. That would be a really cute spring box to use as a gift. Okay, so inside the box, it looks like this right now. So there is a card on it, and I'll have to read that under the machine. Okay, so it is in green paper, which is super cute for summer and spring. Well, they always have such a great display of items. Look how pretty that is. Just the way they placed them. So let's see what's in this box. Let's go with the first item. Here it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will put a split screen, and on the split screen I will put the actual picture of the product from the website and then me showing you the product. So this is a deluxe sample. This is a pretty good size sample. It says Balance Me Exfoliating Concentrate. So this is an exfoliator. The price for the large size would be $37.50. So that's awesome. I'm taking that this is for your face. So that's my first item. Okay, here is the second item. Let's see what we got. So what I did, guys, was I went online to the Birchbox and I took all of the pictures and the information off and put it into my photos so that I'm able to see it much better. Okay, this one is Authentic Beauty Concept. And it is a stronghold hairspray. The retail value is $25. This is definitely a larger size bottle, so I don't know if this is the actual $25 for this or if the bottle is bigger. So I'm going to try that out. I do use hairspray to try and keep my hair straightened. Okay, so we'll look at the next item. Okay, here we go. It's a spray bottle. I hope it doesn't bother you guys that I keep leaning over to read. Just makes it easier that way for me. Okay, this one says Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Heat and UV Protectant. Okay. It's a primer for your hair. It's $28 for the full size. This looks like a deluxe sample size, which is awesome because I can take this traveling, and I've got lots of traveling going on. So that will be awesome. Okay, so let's see what else we got. We got two more items in the box. Okay. here is the next item, which is item number 4. Okay, this is made by Dr. Botanicals. It is the pomegranate regenerating sleeping mask. So I guess you just put this on when you go to sleep and wash it off when you get up. You know, I've noticed that a lot of the sleeping masks are very lightweight. You really don't feel them. This is something I want to try. Also in a deluxe sample size. Sorry if you hear the noise outside. They are building a house diagonal for me across the street and then 2 doors down for me. So there's a lot going on over here. So this next item is from Benefit Cosmetics from their Red Magnet Extreme Lengthening Mascara, $27. So here is what I got. This looks like a deluxe sample for it. Let's go ahead and open it up and look. I love little mascaras, actually. I'm not going to open it, though, because I want to take it with me when I go somewhere. And then I don't have so much to bring. So, okay, guys, that was my 5 products. What did you guys think? I loved the box. They had a lot more things kind of different than they, you know, it's not just skincare. There is skincare, there's hair care, and then there's actually a beauty item. So I'm really happy about that. I think this was a good box. So I've got the mascara, guys. And I got the sleeping mask. So number 1 is the mascara. Number 2 is the sleeping mask. Number 3 is the hairspray. Number 4 is the exfoliator. And then here's number 5. Let's see what that was again. It's for your hair. Okay, so it's a protector, UV sun protector primer for your hair. So you must put this on. We're gonna have to see. I don't know whether to put it on before I do my hair or put it on after I do my hair, but we'll figure that out and I'll definitely use it. So Birchbox, man, that was a good box, guys. I've had them for maybe 3 months, 3 or 4 months, and I love them. They are awesome. Every box has been good. This, I think, is the best box I've gotten so far, so I'm really happy about that. So if you guys want Birchbox to try it out, I'll leave a link below. It might be $5 off your first box. You'll have to look below. I'll put all the information below that you'll need. But try it out. I mean, yeah, they're not full-size products, but they're definitely deluxe samples and even a little bit bigger than a deluxe sample. So, like I said, happy with this box. So, subscribers, thank you for sticking around while I went through some health issues. I'm doing much better. My left eye, I'm finally able to open now, and it's not hurting like it was. I'm still on antibiotics 4 times a day. I go back next Monday to see the cornea specialist and see what he says about it. I did find a couple products that I can use at night in my eyes that have been working. I've been definitely putting it in this one just to kind of check, and it's helping. So, you know, it's the Sjogren's, and I can't take the medication to help the production of more moisture because I take digoxin, which is a heart med, and you cannot mix those two. So, we'll see. My heart actually has been doing really good. My blood pressure's been normal. It's like 100 to 110 on top, and 60 to 80 on the bottom. So that's pretty good. My heart rate has been in the 60s and 70s, which is awesome because my heart rate has always been in the hundreds since all of my surgeries. So, okay, enough talking. I will talk in my vlogs. I am making vlogs again, guys, and I just posted a video on my room tour at the resort we went to in Mexico. Please check that out, like the video. So guys, if you liked this video, I ask you to please click the like button, as it helps me so much to get my videos out to other people. Otherwise, it just sits. So I really need your help. I'm almost at 250, guys. I'm at 206 to do that big giveaway with the handbag from BOLZANO and all of the other items, skincare, lifestyle, makeup, just everything. It's totally full of stuff. So we will go over that when I hit the 250 mark. So if you don't mind, share my video. I appreciate it. And those of you who are not subscribed, if you like, please click the subscribe button down below. It is red. Next to it, you'll see a bell come up. If you click on the bell, you will be notified by YouTube every time I post another video. And I guess that's it, guys. But I wanted to say thank you again for staying with me during my hard time of health issues. So I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.